Hello guys, welcome back to SuperHi Graphics. So today I want to show us how to remove the background of our image using Photopea. The last time I made a video on how to remove the background of our image using Photoroom, I got some feedback. Some people said they were having challenges here and there, and some people said the watermark is still on the removed background image. So this one I want to show us how to remove using Photopea without watermark. So I'll click on, you can make use of any browser. So I'll click on Chrome browser here. In my search toolbar, I'll just search for Photopea. Photopea.com. You can just search for the term Photopea, and the first thing that comes up on your search bar, just click on it. You can see it right here. Good. It will bring you to a page like this. Once it brings you to a page like this, you don't even need stress. This is the last image that I removed the background. So I'm going to show us the same thing, the same process again. So all I'll just do here is let me refresh it. Let me refresh this page. Okay, good. Now, once you have it like this, the first thing you see like this, you click on open file. Then you click on open. Go into your phone folder. If it is under download, you just go and pick the image that you want to remove the background. So here I have it as under my download. This is the image that I want to remove the background. Once you select it, you can see the full background of the image. Now, what I'll just do is up above here, there are lots of options. All you just have to do is come to select. Click on select like this. Then you see remove BG. Click on it. Now, once you click on remove BG, to take time. So if you have good network, it won't take any time. You can see how cleanly removed this image is. It has removed the background of the image and it is very clean, no watermark. All you just have to do now is to click on file again and click on save. No, click on export as. Once you click on export as, then you click on PNG. Once you click on this, it will bring a pop-up like this. You can change the name right here. You can see it. You can change the name, or you just leave it like that and click on save. Save like this. Once you click on save, it will be saved to your phone. You can see the image that will remove the background, how clean it is. So that is how you can remove background of any image using Photopea.